got a new version of my Squawk Talk replacement soundboard. This is version 2 that I just got and just stuffed and got it working. There's a couple changes on this one. I added some test points up here in the corner so I can measure 5 volts and 12 volts with respect to ground. I moved these relays over to give myself some more space. I actually flipped the board all the way around to it. This is actually a better direction than the other one was. I've got a meter on the board, so when we adjust it to 5 volts, you can see that you're doing that. Turn the pots around there, actually adjusted backwards. I added a 12 volt output, and I'm trying out the second amplifier. There's actually 2 amplifiers you can put on here, a bigger one and this smaller one. The smaller one's more available now, but both of them use the TDA 2030 amplifier chip. I also made it so that the component out from the player goes to this connector here and back in again, just like on the Squawk and Talk board. The -61 version D has a 10-pin connector on here, which you can send the signal out to a Say It Again board, which is a reverb board. I've got a board here that kind of simulates a reverb board. It's a PT2399 reverb chip that's on this board. It's a brand new chip that just came out a couple years ago, and all it is powered by 12 volts, and you've got the signal coming in and going back. So let's give it a try and see what it sounds like with the reverb board or the Say It Again on it. So that's what it sounds like regular. So let's turn up the delay. So it's kind of like what the Centaur pinball machine has, the Say It Again board on it. This simulates that, so that this board can be used for the Centaur also once you get the sound ROMs in there.